Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm here with a one simple trick video using the tailored tag punch from Stampin' Up! So when I get a new punch, one of the things that I do is create a sheet like this with alternative ideas for using the punch. You can find this sheet that you can download on my blog or pin to Pinterest for future use. Now what I've done is taken a 2x2 piece of cardstock and I have marked the center vertically and horizontally. And you can do that by placing your piece in your trimmer and then just using your pencil to mark down. And then I have also marked a couple other cut lines at 1.5 and 1 3/4 on both sides. So let me show you how you're going to use this to create alternatives. So I'm going to slide this in with the aid of my Take Your Pick tool. And while a larger piece might be easier to use in some ways, 2x2 made measuring very easy. So you can see that we've got the center lined up on the center points, and I've got a permanent marker here. And then I'm going to add tick marks at these other two measurements on both sides. I created a card using an alternate size this week. I'll link to that in the description. So my first piece here is 1 1/4 by 2, and this is great with cardstock or even your designer paper scraps. So the 1 1/4 is and we want to center it. And give it a punch. And then I've got a 1.5 inch piece. And this is 1.5 by 2 inches. Oops. And I'm just going to take my Take Your Pick tool and help to slide this on across. There we go. And we're going to center it. Check your side to side here. And I'm not quite there. Okay. Make sure I look like I'm straight in here. And punch. Getting a little bit of an optical illusion over here as I punch. And to give yourself a bit more of an assist, you can always put your piece in at the halfway mark. This is 1 3/4, so half of that is 7/8. Just put that in and take your pencil and go right down the track here on the back side of the piece you're going to punch. And then you can use that line to line up with your center line here in, there we go, here in your punch. And make sure you're even side to side if you don't want to eyeball. So there are 3 different shapes, sizes. A slightly smaller one used in a card today. I'll link to that post with the alternatives download and to the video using the other card as these shapes for a background. Have a great day. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you would like to receive notifications the next time I upload a video. Bye.